everyone! So welcome to another math tutorial. Today, tutulungan ko kayo sa pagsasolve ng permutations gamit ang fundamental principles of counting. So sa video na ito, ipapakita ko ang step-by-step na proseso para mas mabilis at mas malinaw ang pagsagot sa mga permutation problems. Tara, simulan natin sa problem na ito. Your mother asked you to withdraw money from her ATM card, but you forgot the 4-digit PIN code she gave. You only remembered the numbers 2, 5, 7, and 9. If you wish to find the right PIN code, how many ways can it be done? So, ang naaalala mo lang ay 4 na numbers, which is 2, 5, 9, 7. So, ilang ways para mahulaan mo yung tamang PIN code? Okay, susubukan natin itong sagutan gamit ang fundamental principle of counting. So, ano ang fundamental principle of counting? If one object can occur in P ways, and a second object can occur in Q ways, and a third object can occur in R ways, and so on, then the sequence of things can occur in P, Q, R ways. Okay, para mas madaling maintindihan or mas maintindihan, eto ang example. Okay, doon sa number ng ATM or the PIN code ng ATM na meron tayo is 2579. So, sa first part, meron tayong 4 na pagpipilian, which is 2, 5, 7, and 9. So again, there are 4 possible numbers that we can choose from in the first part. Okay, let's say for example, napili na natin ang isang number which is 5. Remember, if a number has been picked, it can no longer be used. So, ibig sabihin, kapag napili na natin yung isa, magbabawas tayo and then mababawasan yung bilang ng pagpipilian. Okay, dahil napili na natin yung 5, yung isang number, meron na lang tayong tatlong pagpipilian, which is 2, 7, 9. Okay, so there are 3 remaining choices in the second part. Kung napili na natin yung isa pa, which is 7, meron na lang tayong dalawang pagpipilian, 2 and 9. So there are 2 remaining choices in the third part. Kung napili na natin si 2, ang natitira na lang ay isa. So, meron na lang tayong isang pagpipilian. So, there are 1 remaining choices in the last part. Ang next step na gagawin natin is we multiply the number of choices in each part. Okay, eto yung first part natin. So, meron tayong 4 choices. Eto yung second part natin, meron tayong 3 choices. Yung third part natin, meron tayong 2. And fourth part, meron tayong 9. So, ang gagawin po natin, we have 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, i-multiply natin yung choices. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Ang sagot ay 24. So, there are 24 possible PIN codes. So, ganun po yung pagsosolve gamit ang fundamental principles of counting. So, sa next video po natin, ayan, pag-aaralan natin ang permutation gamit ang formula nito. So, ayan lamang po sa susunod. Ayan, pag-aaralan naman natin ang different kind of permutations at kung paano ito isa-solve. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, at i-click ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod na math tutorial.